Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a completion for this miniature dollhouse kit. This has been a labor of love, let me tell you. This miniature dollhouse is from, well, I bought it at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance. I've had this in my stash for probably a good 7-8 months, and I decided to go ahead and do it. It is from Mayberry Street, and it is called the Countryside Estate. This is a 1/24 scale. It does have lights. So I am going to just kind of pan around and show y'all what this looks like, or what it looks like. Now, I did not do a video on this as far as building it. My lighting is not great. The bubbles that you see in that bathtub, I actually took, it was just supposed to be cotton batting in it. If I can get close up. But I got some beads from Temu, and beads, trying to fix it to where, oh, I'm not doing a really good job. Anyway, they are iridescent beads, and they're different sizes, and I put them in there to make it look like bubbles. So this, I started this on March the 20th, and it took me, I've completed it on May the 25th. I keep forgetting this is on a lazy Susan. But I did keep up with my time on this one. Normally I don't. I just build them. But this one, I wanted to see how long it was going to take me to do it. So every time I would start, I'd write down the time. And then when I would finish for the day, I would put my time down. And then I would just kind of take about 30 minutes or so away. Only because of where I would stop and start and stop and start within those time periods. So give or take, this took me 79.5 hours to build. Now, some of it I did not do, like on the picture, which I'll show you a picture of it from the book. There's supposed to be like ivy around the top of this and around the fencing. I didn't do any of that. I sorta did these flowers right here were a pain in the butt. So I did a couple of them the way they showed, and then we get to some different areas, like that one. I did that myself. This one I did that one myself, using my own stuff. If you can see those baskets right there, those are from flowers that I had, artificial flowers here, and I just snipped the tops of those off and put them in there because it was supposed to have been more of these type of flowers. Same with those. Those are some flower that I had here, and I just snipped them and glued them into the little vases. Now, I am going to turn this light off real quick. Alright, and I'm going to turn the house lights on. Alright. So this is what it looks like. I know you might not be able to tell real good because it's not dark outside. But there is a light inside this little thing here. We have a light inside the greenhouse. We have a light inside the umbrella. And then we have a stairwell light. Buster, get out. Hold on. Buster dropped his ball inside my trash can. Or, no he didn't. I don't know what he's wanting. Okay, sorry. So there is a light chandelier here in the bedroom. And I'll try to get you as close as I can so that you can see the little doodads and stuff in there. There's the the nightstand over there with a lamp and some books, a purse on the wall. There's some bath stuff, some house shoes. This is actually supposed to be a dress, and then there is a purse right back there. Then there's a basket of books and a camera. And then we have some plants. Again, these plants here were supposed to be made out of paper, but as fat as my fingers are and as aggravating as it was, I said to heck with it, and I stuck my own little things in there. So in the bathroom, you can see there is a bath set and some towels. You might be able to see the bubbles better. There's the chandelier for the bathroom. There's a shower. You can see, you might not be able to see, but there is a shower there in the corner with a shelf with bath supplies. And then we get over here. There was supposed to be curtains in these two windows, and they did not turn out correct, so I just took them out. Alright, so there's two chandeliers down here in the family room. And then there is a wall sconce that I had to make. There's the fireplace, the couch with the laptop and earphones. There's a cupboard in the back there, and a lamp, the piano, and then there is a violin and the window seat. Then we have a little rocking chair, a little dog, some more flowers. And then it comes over here to the stairs where we have some potted plants and another plant. We have this little sitting area out here. Just pretty cute. And then we have, like I said, you've got two lights down here in the greenhouse. I will try to show y'all as much of this as I can. This is the back of the house. Of course, you're not going to see all that. But yeah, we've got flowers in there. We have birdhouses. And we have these flowers out here on the sidewalk. And then we have a bench with some flowers, a hat, and a book. There's the entrance. We've got a broom and a water hose. There's the bicycle. We've got some more flowers down there. This is the kitchen. If I can get it squared around. And you can see the table with a candelabra. And some dishes. I don't know if y'all be able to see. So there's those. But yeah, this was the hardest one I have done. This was also the biggest kit that I have done. I really like it. I really, really do. I think it's gorgeous. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. I usually just set them in my curio cabinet that I have. And just look at them. So this is actually what it's supposed to look like. Let me see. And you can see the ivy on here. Yeah, I didn't do all that. There's a few things like the flowers right there. As you can see, I didn't do that. But basically everything else I did do, except for, like I said, the flowers. Oh, those were a pain. So I just put my own little twist on it, and that's fine because I can. I enjoy doing these. They are hard, and obviously they are time consuming, but so are diamond paintings as far as time consuming. So yeah, there it is. I really wish I could have done a video of me putting it together for everybody to see, but oh my gosh, I wouldn't have had enough memory in my phone to have been able to do it. Because like I said, this took me 2 months, 5 days, and 79 and a half hours to complete. So anyway, I'm going to take a break on doing them for a while, probably for a couple weeks anyway, until I can get this diamond painting over here finished. I'm almost done with it, but I think I'm going to take a break on doing these kits for a few minutes and just concentrate on finishing my canvas. And then once I get that done, I might go ahead and start another miniature, because I've got a camper I want to do, and I want to turn it into kind of like a gypsy kind of camper. I don't know, but anyway, I have ideas in my brain. So alright y'all, this was again from Mayberry Street, and it was called Countryside Estate, and yeah, 1/24 scale. and I think it turned out really nice. So, alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know not all of you get into the miniatures, but my channel is both diamond painting and miniatures, mainly diamond painting, but you know, as the years go by, you know, we all come up with more crafts that we like to do, and you know, some of y'all like this kind of stuff, some don't. I enjoy watching them. So, alright, anyway, I'm just sitting here rambling. So, alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and always leave me a comment. I enjoy them. And even if you don't want to sit and, you know, comment on anything, throw me an emoji. I don't care. At least that lets me know that, you know, you watched. So, alright, I appreciate each and every one of you, and until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.